What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to talk about some of the basic operations. So I'll set the spindle going and we'll use the hand jog tool to move the X and Z axes around. Also, I'll show you how to select a different tool on the tool changer. First of all, if you want to be able to see what's happening and hand jog the machine around, you need to have this key in the unlocked position. This would enable the machine to be operated and moved around without the doors closed. If you're running a sequence that's been programmed, you'll want the doors closed at all times during operation. If you're using the machine to face off or do simple work on the machine that you're only going to do by using the hand jog system, then you're going to want to be able to see what you're doing, and therefore you'll need to work with the doors open. So to get the machine active is really quite simple. If you have a look up here, there's an input field. Using the keypad, you can actually type in here a number. So I've typed in 500. Okay, you can see it says 500 up there. Now if you come down here to the override and click forward, the lathe will start rotating. If you click stop, it will stop, start, stop. If you have the spindle running, at the moment it's running at 500. You can see here on the display, it says it's commanded to 500 and its actual is 498 to 500. It also gives you a load indicator on the spindle. All of our overrides are set at 100%. So from now, if you needed to increase the RPM, there are two ways to do it. You can add 10%. You'll see there that's added 50 RPM to the commanded RPM. And if you need to command it back to its original speed, you just hit that 100% again. The machine will command the spindle back to the original selected speed. If you need to increase or decrease the RPM, you can easily do that here by pressing the number of RPM that you want in, typing that into the input field, and then pressing the forward button again. Now you'll see there the RPM has been commanded down to 200 and the spindle has responded accordingly. And when you want to stop, all you have to do is press that stop button. You can also run the spindle in reverse. Everything you do is going to be indicated up here on the main display.